Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Starter English Lessons podcast. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. And if you've been listening for a while, big hug to you. Before we start, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel because your support makes us feel excited, grateful, and honestly, emotionally powerful.
Yes. Every time someone likes the video, Nora becomes 10% happier. And every time someone subscribes, I gain one extra emotional vocabulary word.
All right, let's jump into today's topic. One of my favorites ever. Transforming everyday conversations with emotional vocabulary.
Because most people only use good, fine, okay. And those words are so boring, they make a rock sound interesting.
Emotional vocabulary is like adding color to your daily life. When you say, I feel excited, I feel touched, I feel overwhelmed, people suddenly pay attention.
Emotional vocabulary is a difference between a boring conversation and a memorable conversation.
And today, we're going to show you exactly how to bring your emotions to life in the simplest, funniest, easiest English ever.
Let's start simple. Say this sentence. My day was good.
My day was good. Feels like an empty sandwich.
Now upgrade it. My day was exhausting. My day was exciting. My day was peaceful.
Just one emotional word, and suddenly the conversation becomes interesting.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I feel good, try, I feel relieved. I feel grateful. I feel nervous. I feel inspired.
These words are easy for beginners, but they sound deep and meaningful.
Ask yourself, how do I really feel? Then choose the closest emotional word.
Let's practice. Imagine you found money in your pocket.
I feel amazed. I feel lucky.
Imagine your food arrives late.
I feel betrayed.
Yes, that emotional twist makes the conversation fun. Emotional vocabulary is everywhere in daily life. You just have to notice it.
For example, you wake up and there's no coffee.
That makes me feel personally attacked.
Perfect emotional drama. Next, you go outside and it starts raining.
I feel betrayed by the sky.
Or, I feel annoyed. I feel uncomfortable. I feel dramatic.
Try this one. Your friend replies instantly.
I feel appreciated.
Your friend replies after 7 hours.
I feel abandoned.
These reactions are funny, real, and emotional. Perfect for conversations.
Now, let's transform boring sentences.
Original. I went to the supermarket. That sentence is emotionally dead.
Upgrade it. I went to the supermarket and felt overwhelmed. Everything was on sale.
Or, I felt nervous because a chicken was staring at me.
Great. Next, I cooked dinner.
I cooked dinner and felt proud because nothing burned today.
Emotion plus tiny detail equals good story.
That formula works with any daily activity.
Humor is the best friend of emotional vocabulary.
Example, someone eats your cake.
I feel deeply betrayed.
Internet breaks.
I feel emotionally damaged.
Food delivery late.
I feel heartbroken.
Humor makes emotional vocabulary enjoyable, relatable, and viral.
Friends are the best practice partners.
Friend asks, "How was your day?"
Don't say good.
Say,
It was chaotic, but fun.
friend asks, "How do you feel?"
I feel hopeful and a little confused.
Friend asks, "What do you think?"
I feel excited, but also scared in a good way.
That's emotional honesty. Simple, real, and interesting.
Emotional vocabulary also helps in conflict.
Someone steps on your foot and doesn't apologize.
I feel offended.
Friend cancels plans.
I feel let down.
Wrong food order arrives.
I feel heartbroken.
These emotional words soften the situation and turn conflict into communication.
Before we end today's episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Starter English Lessons. Your support makes us feel inspired and motivated.
And before you go, tell us in the comments, what emotion describes your day today? We want to read every single comment.
Today, we learned that emotional vocabulary makes daily conversations colorful,
Funny,
human.
unforgettable.
So, don't say good, say how you really feel.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.